Hey all, Noonz here. Welcome back to Noonz Airborne RC. It's been a while and we'll get into that in more videos. But today, what do we have? We have a 3D printed PLA jet. This is called the Cobra from Eclipson. This is a 4S powered unit. I'm running a 4S 2200 battery, Hobbywing Skywalker 50 amp ESC, and a 4S X-Fly 4600 kV motor. This thing right here has plenty of power. Ready to fly weight with the battery. She runs at 1,032 grams, this particular model right here. And the motor produces about 900 grams of thrust. So I had no problems there. One great thing I like about this, everybody, is it is a belly lander. And it's got these little drag wheels that you go ahead and you land on and you drag on your tail. Now, you'll see in the video, this thing flies good. It gets really fast. The throws I had were the recommended throws from the manufacturer. I'm going to dole those down because the faster you go, the more agile this thing becomes. And she's going to be a good flyer. Now, I was real nervous in this video. It's been a while since I flew, and I mean, I made this on a printer, everybody. Was it going to fly apart midair? Was it going to fly apart, hitting the ground? Stay tuned and watch it. Once again, thanks for watching Noonz Airborne RC.
Get some! She's up! Yeah!
Came up right away. Keep her kind of close.
I'm trying not to crash her right now.
How bad's the trim?
Pretty bad. I think it's my tail. All right, I'll bring her close now. I got it. Whoa, she's real twitchy on the ailerons when she goes fast. That's about half throttle. Yeah. If I go fast, she gets really twitchy on that aileron, boy. Let's see full throttle. Ooh, yeah. She gets real twitchy. I gotta lower the rates down on the aileron. I did low rates, and I did half of what they recommended. Oh, yeah. She's flying good.
The sun just kind of dissipates that green.
It does. And I was trying to go for the green because you know my old man eyes, right?
Well, you can always paint it, can't you?
Oh yeah, it'll add a little bit of weight.
A stripe, a red stripe, or orange stripe.
Oh yeah. Oh. It's the servos. I didn't use the greatest of the servos.
Yeah.
But you know what? I can easily change those out.
That's pretty darn cool.
I just used those cheap MG90 MG90 servos.
I hate you can't center any of them little ones anymore.
Yeah, and I could probably buy this like some mess. All right, dude. So now I'm gonna have to come in for a landing, which is gonna be interesting. Landing of the prototype.
Yeah, I hate the little ones anymore.
All right.
I even bought them.
30 seconds.
Yes, Respicia, I got you, baby.
Seconds.
Oh, that baby really rolls.
Ah! Desert!
RF signal low.
Desert rash right on the first one.
I think she's good. I think she's good.